Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn about the codes. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel. And if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So the codes stands for the cross-origin resource sharing. It's a security feature built into the web browsers that controls how web pages can request a resource. Resource can be API from the different domains, right? Simple explanation, we can go with the imagine your website front end is like your house, okay, and the API backend is like the store. So the course is basically a security guard that decides whether you are allowed to fetch the items from that store or not. Why we need that? Security prevents malicious websites from stealing your data. Privacy protects users from the unauthorized data access. Control servers can decide who can access the resources, okay. So without course protection, somebody can steal your data. With course protection, it is blocked by the user and your data is safe. How front and back end work together? Front end browser running at the localhost 3000 tries to fetch data from the backend server running at the 5000 port needs to allow the front end to access it. Problem: different ports, different origins, cores needed. Setting up the codes in the Node.js. So install the codes package, and here we have to define app.use.course. So it allows all routes. Okay, it's not specified. Advanced course where you can add the origin from which the request can be done. Okay, so this is the origin. So from this origin, you can from this website, whatever the request coming to the backend, only that can allow to fetch the items from that backend. Okay, otherwise if the local host 5000 or 6000 or some other ports, if the origin is not there, then definitely it will try to fetch the data from the 5000 port. It will not, because the origin is not passing over there. If the origin is star, that means here asterisk is there. Okay, so anyone can access your data. Okay, so it's very important for the configuration the backend, origin should be there. And the methods, which methods they can access, that is get, post, put and delete. If you try to get access of any other methods, it will not. Okay, multiple origins you can also define. So the allow origins would be like this one. Okay, so this is also front end example like the JavaScript or the HTML like this one, and I'm trying to fetch the data from the 5000 because my endpoint. Okay, so basically this is the this front end, and this is 5000 port on which my backend is running. And this is, suppose this front end is running on the port number 3000, so I have the allowed origin, so I can access the data and it give me the data. Okay, complete working example is like, you can just go and try. This is the backend part, so enable the course. Okay, a node server .js, and just it will if you want to advance that only this origin can access the data, so you have to pass the, you have to open this and add the advanced detailing over there. Okay, now, common course error and the solutions. Error: access to fetch has been blocked by the course policy. Solution: add app.course in your backend. Okay. Error: origin null is not allowed. Use local server. Don't open HTML directly in the file system. Errors: credentials mode issue. Set credentials to be true in both the front end and the back end. Security best practice: don't use origin to be star in the production. Specify exact allowed origins. Only enable the HTTP methods. Use HTTPS in production. Validate and sanitize all the inputs. Okay. So npm install, use basic usage, custom configuration, route specific also you can do. Okay. So summary, course protects users by controlling course origin requests. Front end and backend need to run on the different origins, different domain ports. Install course package, enable course, configure for the security for the production. Okay, so hope you like the video. Any doubt, any query, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.